Good afternoon. My name is Eddie C, and I'm the author of this book, Trend is Friend. Okay, whatever I share here today are in the contents of this book. So I hope if you are looking to learn more about trend investing, kindly consider to read this book in full. Thank you. That's my commercial. Let's get to the business of the day. That is to look at and analyze a particular stock. Okay. So anyway, the day today is 16th of December 2022. It's a Friday. Uh, just for to the end of the day to the end of the week to the coming weekend. The time now is 1:26 p.m. and I welcome you to purchase Rationale. Purchase Rationale provides 15 reasons when considering a particular stock. A disclaimer here that whatever I share is for information and education, and should you take action to buy a particular stock, please consult your financial planner first or a licensed broker. The stock in question today is not in my stock pick yesterday, but since I met Patrick Tan this morning for our year-end lunch, he suggested for me to look at this particular stock called IOI Property Group. Uh, the stock code for IOI Property Group is 5249. The reason why I decided to do IOI Property Group is due to the fact that it has what I call latent value. All right, latent value. But the fundamentals uh, will be shared after accordingly. So you know what the fundamental is, but the main focus on IOI Property Group is the hidden latent value in the intrinsic value. Okay, so let's get on to the analysis. So the as usual, the first fundamental analysis we have to look at is the intrinsic value. Uh, the intrinsic value is calculated by the enterprise value divided by the total common shares outstanding. All right. So the enterprise value is 20.58 divided by total common shares outstanding of 5.51 billion, and it gives us an intrinsic value of 3 ringgit and 73 cent. All right, against what IOI is trading at the current market price now of 1 ringgit and 11 cent. So there is a real what I call discount, like YTL Power yesterday. Okay, a real discount of what's the discount differential? 373 minus 111. So there is actually a discount of 2 ringgit and 63 cent. Okay, very good. This is what I call hidden latent value. Hidden latent value, where there is a deep discount at the current market price against the latent intrinsic value. And in terms of percentage, the discount is 2 ringgit 62 cent divided by 1 ringgit and 11 cent. You will be buying at current price of 111. Uh, and having a 236% discount. Is that good or good? All right. So you decide. Let's continue. Okay. Other fundamental wise, uh, of course, it is already trading at a discount, so there is no issue about covering for whatever there is need to use. So it yields a very healthy operating earning yield of 12.47%. Uh, already factored in the discount. The ROIC is positive at 2.54%, which is not nothing to shout about, but at least what we can subsume from here is that actually IOI Property Group is also on recovery mode. Okay, even though the ROIC is very low, a very good PE ratio of 5.5. All right, price earning ratio forward 7.97 or 8. So you can look forward to a incremental increase in price going forward. Okay, now the enterprise value, I may have to explain a little bit why it is so high. Enterprise value to EBITDA, or the acquirer's multiple, I firmly believe that it is high simply because during the downturn, IOI Property Group must have accumulated quite a bit of either debt or poor negative earning per share. So right now, it is on recovery, and all the goodness or earnings, net earnings, have not been actually factored in into the enterprise value. Okay, yet it still pay a dividend of 4%, with a dividend payout ratio of about 32%. It has still a negative cash flow, meaning there must be quite a bit of borrowing. No, no, in this case, it is not borrowing, free cash flow. It has not generate enough business to generate enough operating margin to cover its expenses. That is why it is a negative free cash flow. Okay, free cash flow margin quite high, 185%, and it has carries a net debt of 14.6 billion. Okay, let's see where the debts come from. Okay, let's check uh, the overview and look at the balance sheet. And going on an annual basis, there you can see net debt to asset on the purple line. Okay, from 2021 to 2022, you can see that the debt has actually gone up to the same level as the asset. Okay, and the total liability has also gone up from the previous years. And from the cash flow, I firmly believe that the debt is generated from financing, as indicated by the green line here. All right, a sort of maintain cash flow from operations uh, gone down a bit, but I think most of the financing in preparation for the opening up of the business. So I think IOI Property Group actually took out quite a bit of financing, either from bank or they raised some debts and borrowed from the bank. Okay, okay, let's go back to the thing to confirm what I said from borrowing a bank is true. Uh, Luckily, it has no doubtful account, and unfortunately, I do not see IOI Property Group reporting the Poitrovsky F score, neither the Altman Z score, and also the Binish M score. So I cannot say exactly about the debt situation, especially the Z score, where you know the higher that means it is assuming greater risk, uh, greater risk, and may be exposed to actually bankruptcy, higher incidence of bankruptcy. But in any case, whatever it is, the interesting thing about IOI Property Group is that you are actually buying at a very deep discount, deep discount, and it has what I call hidden, uh, deep latent value should you buy. So I would say, fundamentally it's its numbers are not showing so well, but because of the discount you are buying, so I will consider IOI Property Group as a short-term trading stock for now until I see the fundamental figures getting better over the next uh, 2 or 3 quarters. Let's wait and check out for that then. Okay. On the sentiment side, definitely on a trend, definitely IOI Property Group has definitely created a trend. The 25 MA 25 line has cut through the 144 line, and the MA 50 MA21 line, the red line cutting through the 144 line, and the MA55 line cutting through the MA144 line, and all the price action, the candlestick has all gone above the MA233 line, which is actually indicative of a bull run right now. Okay, and the price action is all also running above the MA 21 line. That means the 21 line is strongly supporting the present trend. Okay, it has already retraced recently, and now it will be in a situation of what I call a pullback rebound. Okay, the strategy entry is a pullback rebound. All right, and on a momentum wise, if you look at the ROC, rate of change, okay, it has not breached the zero line yet, but I can see actually the green candlestick uh, has already appeared, and I say it is a pullback rebound. The only worrisome thing is that even though it has gone up, but the volume wise has not gone up as uh, in tandem with the price action. But anyway, let's wait and see what will happen next week. Okay, and on the Elio wave side, it has rode the Elio wave 3 retreated correction, and now rebound and is now riding the Elio wave 5 for the moment. Okay, so if you buy the current price of 1 ringgit and 11 cent, as it is the market price now per the closing, the midday closing today, uh, with the expectation of it going up to the Elio wave apex wave 5 of target profit of 1 ringgit and 20 cent, with a stop loss of 1 ringgit and 7 cent, This trade will yield a reward to risk ratio of 2 ringgit and 25 cents. So let me say again, I will consider this as a short-term trade. All right. Uh, and how much percentage will that earn you? From 1 ringgit and 11 cent to here, the apex here, at 1 ringgit and 20 cent, it will earn you 8.24% or 9 cent. 9 cent. 9 cent. Okay. So this is what I have to share today. If you think my sharing is educational and informational, please like, share, and subscribe. I cannot emphasize enough. Please help me to subscribe, as by subscribing and sharing, you will help the channel to grow, and we will also help those people who are interested in learning how to invest on a trend basis. They will also derive benefit from my sharing. Okay. Okay. Thank you for listening, and also thank you for your time. You have a good week. You have a good day ahead, and also a coming weekend. All right, and have a good time with your family. Thank you, and bye bye.